Strelitzia is the all-in-one business management solution for the florist industry. In this short video, I'm going to take you through all the features of the software. So we're starting with our makeup and order screen. So here you can see all the orders that are in the system for today and for the future. If I scroll down, you can really easily see the orders split out into types. So you've got the W orders, which come from your website. So you've got a web delivery and you've got a web collection. You've got a simple D, so that is an order that you've taken in the shop or over the phone. Here you can see I've got an RD, so that's a relay delivery. So that's if you're a member of Interflora, eFlorist or D2F. I've then got two collect orders here. And if I scroll down to the bottom of today's order, you can see that this order here is a funeral order because it's got a little cross next to the name. You can also really easily see things like the time of the delivery, the product, the price, whether it's been paid, and the status of the order. At the bottom, I've then got orders for tomorrow, I've got orders in the future, all my collect orders are here, any orders that are still to pay, past and draft. I can do things like filter by occasion. So if I want to see all the weddings that I have in the future, I can do that here. I can search for specific orders and I can print my makeup list. You can see at the top here that I've got a print new orders box. So because Strelitzia connects to your website and your relay, you need to be notified when you get a new order in. So when somebody places a new order on your website, the order comes through to Strelitzia and you get a print box here so you can print those orders out. So let's go through taking a new order. You've got order type here, which can be gift or funeral. I can put in the delivery date and the occasion. Now you've got the customer box, so I'm going to search for an existing customer. There we go. And then I can fill in the delivery. So Strelitzia remembers any past delivery addresses from that customer, or you can enter in the details completely new. So I'm going to select a past delivery address. Strelitzia also remembers the items that customer has purchased before. So you can see the price, you can see the product, and that gives you the opportunity to upsell to that customer. I'm going to add a new item. So bouquets and an aqua, and I'm going to have that at 55. Card message, happy birthday, and the customer wants whites and pinks. And add that. And then a little add-on box pops up, really allowing you to see what chocolates, what wine, what teddies and things like that you've got to sell. So I'm going to add a vanilla raspberry and pistachio bar to that order. Okay, so that's everything really. You've got your totals at the bottom. Another really nice feature is in settings you can put in your delivery charges. So when you put in your delivery address, Strelitzia calculates the correct delivery charge for you. Okay, I'm going to complete order. Customer's paid by card, complete payment. I can then print the worksheet and I can email a receipt directly to my customer. So if I print the worksheet, this is what prints out. So I've got all the order details on it, and at the bottom I've got two sticky labels. So really quick and easy for sticking your card message on your card, and then the address label here. Okay, and if I scroll down, there's that order that I've just put in the system. Okay, so let's go to the delivery feature. Here Strelitzia shows all the items that you've got for delivery today. You can create multiple vans and you can map them, and then you can also print your delivery list. Once your deliveries are done for the day, you can mark them as delivered, and this sends an email receipt to your customer. So it's really easy to create a list, and once you've created them, you can drag and drop and move them around. You can also look into the future. So again, when you're really busy for the week and you're getting lots of orders in, it means that you can plan for the days ahead and start and route those deliveries as you go. Okay, so let's look at repeat orders. So this is a system where if you've got contracts with hotels, so if you've got a weekly contract with ours, Strelitzia automatically repeats that order every week for you, puts it in your makeup list and adds that order directly onto account if needed. It's also a really good feature for subscriptions. You've got your customer database, so every time you put an order into the system, that customer details are saved, and you've got things like your email address, so you can start and create a really good database of all your customers. If I move down to the business centre, so you've got accounts. The account section of Strelitzia is a sales accounts package. You can create account customers and add orders directly onto their accounts. You can create and email invoices, send statements and reconcile accounts by processing payments, creating refunds and credit notes. You can then export your accounts at the end of each month in a format that suits Sage or Xero. Let's look at reports next. Here I can see really easily how my business is doing by using the data that I'm inputting every day. So if I go to shop sales and I'm going to run a report from the 19th of March to the 26th of March to see how many shop sales I've done. So I'm going to generate that. Okay, then it's going to show me a really quick breakdown and then all the orders split out. I can then export it as a CSV or generate a PDF. I can do the same thing for my incoming relay orders, outgoing relay orders, my website, and then I can also do really nice things like occasion reports. So every time you input a new order, you put the occasion, and it means that you can start to understand why your customers are buying from you and see which occasions are more popular. We've got users here, so as part of Strelitzia you can enter in users and then everybody logs in under their own username, and then I can run a report to see which member of staff is performing the best, who has the highest average sale, who's selling the most add-ons, things like that. We've then got marketing. So here again, you're collecting your customers' details every single day, and you can run reports allowing you to export these emails straight into MailChimp, giving you a really, really good marketing tool. So again, say you just wanted to do a promotion to a certain area of town, say free delivery or something like that, you can put in the postcode or the location and then generate a report to show you, to give you all those customers. Looking at settings, here's where you can really personalise your Strelitzia system and get the most out of everything that you're doing. So you can enter as many users in as possible, and you can also give them permissions. So if you don't want them accessing the business centre, so that's your reports and your accounts and things like that, that's absolutely fine. You've got your delivery charges. So again, when you're taking an order, those delivery charges are automatically calculated. Got your order products and your order categories, so you can enter those in to personalise your system with your own pictures. You've got occasions, discount codes, connectors, so again that's where we talked about relay in the website, and nice feature is the activity log, so you can see exactly what's been going on and who's doing what in your system if you need to. If you have more than one shop, you can send orders between your branches. And Strelitzia also comes with an EPOS till system for impulse buys when customers come into your shop. I can easily take sales when a customer comes into my shop. So for example, I'm going to go to cut flowers and the customer wants to buy 5 stems of Strelitzia at £2 each. So I'm going to add those. And they also want a bunch of eucalyptus at £10, add that to my cart. So you can see the items are here, they're adding up, and I've got a total at the bottom. So then if I go to total, I can then take payment. So if I go cash and complete transaction, and that's the money through my till and the sale made. We're currently developing a wedding and events package, as well as a product stem counts and buying lists. For more information, please email katie@strelitziasoftware.com or go to our website www.strelitziasoftware.com.